Welcome to Presbyterian University of East Africa, a place where dreams are shaped and futures are built. With state-of-the-art facilities, flexible study options, and a focus on research and innovation, we are committed to helping you gain the skills you need for today's competitive world. At Presbyterian University, you are more than just a student. You are part of a vibrant, diverse family that is making a difference. Ready to unlock your potential? Start your journey with us at Presbyterian University of East Africa, where education meets purpose and purpose meets opportunity. Whether you are looking to pursue studies in business, education, health sciences, or theology, our dedicated faculty is here to inspire and guide you every step of the way. In Presbyterian University, we believe in holistic education, blending quality academic programs with strong values, leadership, and ethical growth. Nestled in the heart of Kenya, Presbyterian University combines academic excellence with a supportive community, empowering students to achieve more. Enroll today and be part of a legacy of excellence integrity. Ready to take the next step? Visit our website at www.puea.ac.ke. Presbyterian University of East Africa. Educate, inspire, transform.